Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, let's cover the Debian installation in detail. To download the latest available version of Debian, let's go to the official Debian website. For that, let's type Debian in Google search engine. Most probably, you can find the official site in the first result itself. If not, you can refer the link from the video descriptions below. Once you open the website, you can see the download option right there in the home page. If you click on the download icon, it will download the network installation media in which the file size is only around 600 MB. To install with this image, you may need a stable internet connection and also it may take more time to get it installed. Instead of network installation, I prefer offline installation. For that, click on the other downloads option just below the download button. Now you can see an option complete installation image. Choose the CPU architecture of your computer and download the image. In my case, I am choosing the 64-bit PC DVD1 ISO file. As soon as you click the link, the download will begin. Since I am using IDM tool for download, I am getting the window for downloads. In your case, if you are not using any tools for downloads, your download will automatically get started in your web browser. As you see, the size of the complete installation image is around 3.70 GB. Let's start the download. It may take a few minutes to get it downloaded. Okay, now it's downloaded. You can view the downloaded ISO file in the File Explorer. Using that image, you can create a bootable media. Normally, I use Reverse tool. I'm including the tool link in the video description. Once you are ready with the bootable drive, restart the target machine where you would like to install the Debian. Okay, once the Debian image boots, you may see a screen similar to this. This is the grub menu. As you see, there are multiple options here. Choose the first option, graphical install, and hit enter. Select a language of your preference and hit continue. Select the location. In my case, I am in India right now, so I am choosing India. Once done, hit continue. Now configure the keyboard and hit continue. To configure the network, provide a host name. If the machine is part of a domain, you can provide the domain name, or else you can skip it and hit continue. Provide the root password and hit continue. Create a new standard user. For that, provide a username and hit continue. Choose the username that you just created and then hit continue. Now provide the password for that created user and hit continue. Now the system will set up the clock. Once done, you can go ahead and configure the disk. If you are new to Linux, you can select guided use entire disk option. If you are familiar with the disk partitioning with LVM, or you are very good at partitioning, you can customize your disk as per the requirement. Once done, you can click continue. Assuming that you are a new user, you can select all the files in one partition. The recommended option for new user is that one. Once done, you can hit continue. Now you can review the partition table. As you see here, #1 is the ESB partition. #2 is the root file system, which is formatted with the ext4 file system format. #3 is the swap file, which helps to improve the memory performance. If this looks good, you can select finish partitioning and write changes to disk and then hit continue. Select yes to provide the confirmation to write changes to the disk and hit continue. As you see, now installing the base system. Post that, the system will configure apt, the package manager. First, the system will check if there is any additional media to scan for optional packages to install. In our case, we have only one media, so select no and hit continue. As a next step, you have an option to choose the network mirror to check if there is any new updates or additional packages you want to install. Although we are installing from a ISO image, there are chances for a new update. For now, let's choose no. That means no network mirror will be used to check new updates. Once done, hit continue. Now the system may ask you whether you are ready to participate in the package usage survey. This will help Debian to improve. Choose the option that works for you and hit continue. Now this is very important part. You have a very powerful option to choose which desktop environment you prefer to install. There are 8 desktop environments available. Each has its own features and advantages. Choose the one that best works for you. I personally like KDE Plasma, but I considering GNOME is the default desktop environment for Debian. I'm continuing with the GNOME for now. If you prefer to install web server feature or SSH features and system utilities along with the desktop environment, you can check those boxes as well. Once done, hit continue. Now the system will install the software. Post that the system will install grub bootloader and finish the installation. As you see now, the installation is complete. Hit continue to reboot the system. Post the system reboot, log in with the credentials and finish the post installation wizard. You can open the terminal and run hostnamectl to confirm the installed Debian version. Enjoy your Debian system. Cheers.